Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Principal has to please.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I tell them when they say, whoa!
What a bubble.
Yeah, two in a mackerel and one butter bean, you know?
Yeah.
Kind of the thing, I'm just buy a pound of fish, you know?
Yeah.
You see it? Stretch it out, you see me I say? Yeah, man.
Stove a go on,
Yeah,
bro,
but I go on, man, cause, you know?
See there,
Next thing we'll have to come
blue
and gas now, you know, cause...
The Marvin, blue fire, matter go and beat.
The bad man, you know, bro, you see that?
That fish head.
Yeah, man, fish head, man, you see it, bro? And then get up mackerel, chop stew mackerel, you hear that? Butter bean, you know, get
Tell them again what you have. Chops, chewy.
Get a mackerel.
Chops.
Chops, chewy.
Chops,
Yeah,
chewy.
mackerel, you know when I eat? Butter bean.
Butter bean.
Get it, you know? You want to see it?
Yeah.
You want to see it?
Them want to see that one, yeah.
You want to see it?
Chop suey.
Alright, mackerel. I'll show them how I go and see
Yeah.
it.
Chop suey. Mackerel and butter bean.
Just take a proper goat milk, man.
People never see that one before. Chop suey.
Yeah, man, chops, chewy, mackerel, butter bean.
Mackerel, butter bean. And we learn that
Holy
one.
pepper, you know, say no book. In case I have the book, you know.
Yeah.
The book, Corona time, the book can't come out yet. You know, when the book will come out
Yeah.
next year.
Yeah.
It's December, we'll start write the book. January the book will come out. When I see it, man, people. When I see the book, man.
Yeah.
You see me, I say? Kid, when I see the book, man. Good life. You know, start it.
Good life.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You see it?
And I want to tell you, say, never look a contribution.
Yeah, man.
Never look a goodies for you.
Whoa!
From Charm.
Charm.
Yeah. Original Rima Ice.
Yeah, man, Charm.
Living in the US.
Yeah, man. Charm. From before she chose to live.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
She used to
know
live
her
on
good, man.
3rd Street too, you know everything.
Yeah, man. No, I'm good. I know I'm good, but I'm Mr. Charm,
Yeah.
man.
And she
You're
used to
Rima
send a
Charm.
big bag of rice.
Whoa, Charm.
Cornmeal.
Yeah, man.
And
go
ketchup
apart.
for you.
Yeah,
For the
man.
kitchen.
The kitchen and vinegar for the kitchen.
And vinegar for the kitchen.
Yeah, man, Charms. I want to away, man, car 4th Street. You hear that?
Cheers.
Yeah, man, you know, man, Trenchtown.
Trenchtown.
Yeah, man, we good life, you see?
Yeah, yeah.
Without the life, we not live no life, you know.
No life.
You see? Right now, the good life are up, you know?
Yeah,
You
yeah.
can eat food. Curry chicken back, chicken gone home. Whoa!
Whoa.
Yeah, man. Chicken back, you see me? Whoa!
The chicken back
Yeah, man.
table.
Yeah, man.
Man.
Come in, long
Charm. Say, make sure you say her name right.
Charm, you know, Charm, I said, long the sugar there and the porridge now boil.
Yes, I see you now.
See there? The
Orange.
sugar there and the porridge now boil. Actually, show you that there. We have everything for porridge.
Yeah.
We have everything for porridge.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have everything for porridge, you see? Oh,
They were the vanilla.
vanilla, you know, see that?
See there? The vanilla.
Man, you know, we put on the pot of porridge for the dog, them come in, you know?
Yeah. So we have porridge in the morning.
So we have, a man, we have porridge, people. Yeah, man, we have cinema leaf. Enough!
No.
Yeah, man, so... Yeah, man, we have sugar, man.
Coconut milk.
Yeah, I get them coconut milk, man. I get the coconut milk, come on in.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Porridge, man.
So, my man in the morning come in, porridge there.
Yeah, and the team reach.
So, you can fry a couple of dumb. Boy, I mean, know you think that.
Dumpling.
Yeah, man. So, you can fry a couple of dumplings, you see?
Yes.
You see that? The pot there, you know, some big pot of porridge can there for the team.
Yeah.
Take a cup of morning, you know.
Yeah.
The team can drink porridge, you see me, I say.
Oh.
Bunch of knows the porridge there, man. As I wake up, man, I put it on, you know.
Yes, sure.
Yeah, man. So, you don't know
thanks.
people.
So,
Yes, we can fry a couple of dumplings. Because porridge of hot it, I'm going to come, you know. Can't live no
whole porridge.
cool porridge, you see?
Yeah.
Muffin Morgan, you know. You know. Porridge of there, man, you see? Sugar here. Look how long the sugar there. And you know which know yet. You know that?
No, yeah.
Now, boy, no porridge. Alright, porridge. I drink porridge a man, you see that? Yeah, man, local porridge there, man, yeah. Fried dumpling, you know. Oh!
Whoa. I know the chops too, we are going to beer things.
Chad, go on, you know.
Oh, God, gas done?
Right, time it done, you know.
Right.
Yo, people, what's in that one? No! Chad, you start. Here we do one.
It's alright. Alright, I'll be done when the food done.
Yo. Okay, let's start when it's done the right time.
Right.
John, the gas just
gas
done.
tomorrow.
So you know some man, I wait before I get by the gas.
Yes.
Yo, the gas, John, no. Paper just done. Yeah, man, cause for a month hard now, you know. That's going, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, see that? Some can lift up with one on it. Yeah, man.
Empty. But tomorrow we have gas
We
reload.
have gas tomorrow, we have porridge in the morning.
Yeah.
We have fried dumplings.
Oh, what happened
You see me? Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So give thanks
Yeah,
to
man,
Charm.
thanks to Charm, you know.
Big up yourself, Sunday. You know the thing go.
Yeah, man, Charm, watch out. Whoa.
Bag of rice. Whoa. Curry chicken back and rice.
Yeah, man, curry chicken mac and rice.
Problem.
A national dish, you know.
National dish.
Yeah, man, so you put peas in it.
Anything you want to
Oh,
do.
yeah, man. Yeah, man, Charm, you see?
Yeah, hold it up.
Yeah, man, cause John, no.
Yeah.
Rice, you know. With the team.
The team.
Yeah, man, the team. Yeah, man. You see? Team have quite more rice right now.
Yeah.
You go and use it to the team, you know.
Yeah,
Yeah, man. Team, you see?
And see you catch up on your oil.
Yeah, man, cause you done this the ketchup now. What we are cook. Proper meat, you know, like chicken and oxtail, you know.
Yeah.
We now cook the pork in the pot, you know. You know that? No, sir. No pork in the pot.
No pork.
The gym team now eat pork still.
Yeah.
Any man I eat pork on the gym team, you know, sir, they cook one side. No pork now cook in the kitchen, yeah? Yeah?
Yeah, tell the story of that.
Yeah, man, say, Zin, ketchup, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, Marvin. Oh!
See there, oil.
Man, vinegar and thing, oil, you know. See this?
Vinegar.
Wash off the meat, them, you know. Cow foot. And when them again, oxtail.
Yeah.
It's like call pig steel now, you know.
All the thing
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, you see?
Yeah.
Then I'm still in the kitchen. Gym team!
Great.
Gym team!
One team.
Yeah, man, a gym team, man. From where them in the gym team,
Yeah,
man.
yeah, bring out the phone.
Oh, yeah, man, see me? Then I walk up.
Yeah.
You know? Put in a mackerel and one butter bean, you see?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I will cook some fish head too, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
Ready?
Ready I know.
Yeah, man, ready the people themselves out fat them still.
Why
Limited. Alright, I look plate and fork.
Yeah,
See,
plate
see,
and
see
fork.
that? When you look on the rice, you know.
Yeah. The rice with a new. Oh, what?
Butter in it a ball, oh, like it I say, yo,
Ball.
stir me up now.
Yeah.
Butter in it I say, stir me up now. Go on yourself, people, man. This can work for you,
Yeah,
man.
yeah.
Can work.
That can work.
Yeah, man, I tell you, man, one team, gym team, you know.
The miracle work
Miracle
with the
work,
rice
you know.
right now.
Alright.
Whoa.
Yeah, man.
Whoa. Fish head. Whoa.
Watch your steam and
So
spice.
big up Charm on Sunday. Now they-
Charm on Sunday.
Yeah.
So nothing in Charm on Sunday, cause I'm say Charm on one Charm, you know.
Yeah, one
You hear
Charm.
that? Sunday big up to you, you know.
Yeah.
Respect, honor, you hear that, people.
Charm on
Yeah, man, cause the
Sunday.
kitchen go straighten up right now, you know. You hear that?
Yeah.
Kitchen go straighten up right now, so I get the thing them.
Right,
See what I say?
alright.
People, yeah, man. Watch your space, man.
Yeah.
We have a lot of things to do in the kitchen, you know.
Yeah, what are
Yeah,
they?
man.
Yeah. Whoa, Charm.
And all of a charm, we live a 4 shillings a G yard. All of a charm, we know we live a 4
Yeah.
shillings.
Whoa.
Curtis, if you big up yourself, you hear that? See me I say?
She should, I know her, you know. She
Yeah,
say
man,
you
tell some
her.
know her, man.
Yeah, man.
Tell some know her, man. Yeah, man, from my ground, she come off of a 4th street.
Yeah.
Charm, anyway, they big up, you know. So, we know her good, man. We just want a picture with her to say, yeah, man.
Yeah.
3rd street too.
Yeah.
man.
Ali family, you know.
Ali, she used to live there, look at her.
You know some man.
3rd street.
Yeah, Alan. We should leave it
Oh,
Alan.
yeah, man, know her, man, from auction side, yeah, man. Oh, big up, yeah, man, know her, man. Yeah, man, cause my body with her daughter, I believe her family too, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, Charm, big up, respect honor, yeah.
Yes,
You are
sure.
good, down, man.
So the man said tomorrow, call me the porridge.
Yeah, man. Porridge tomorrow,
It's a
fast,
charm.
they work them till the boy porridge a morning, you know.
Yeah.
No, I'm not there, no work.
The man can't come in 10 o'clock, man, cause what want Christmas? Yeah, man, alright, Christy, man. Yeah, man, Charm.
Big up.
Big up and respect honor, boy porridge a morning.
Porridge tomorrow. What do you mean?
Don't know the grub. Get food, them line up for the youth, them know, you
Get the
know.
plane then. Alright,
Yeah, so nothing the people, man, cause you hear me I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Respect honor again, Charm.
Yeah, for the two of them.
Yeah, man. Go. No, man, so
Hey, we see the kitchen now. The space here and there. Yeah. It's a fried down right now.
this not a steam bag, you know.
Hello.
Show some season around, you know.
Yeah. I'm sorry. Breakfast. Whoa. Whoa.
You want to cover it up, you know. See that?
Yeah.
Tell them I'm bad. Yes, I said Pasha.
Call me Purge.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
The line not now, man. The line not now.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Shit,
Yeah, man. Alright. I'm say porridge, you know. So we do it to me. I say it's in.
Sure.
I said.
See you there.
Yeah, man. I done for dumping it. You see me? I said.
Alright then. Whoa.
This way I could have to right away. People so get back to me, I get the cup now and line it up and so deal with it.
Yeah. Whoa. Juggling, dream team. Breakfast morning.
Yeah, man.
Breakfast morning.
I say.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Not to fear people, man. There, man.
No fear. Alright then. Boy, yeah.
Take that one.
I mean the porridge and fried dumpling and
Yeah.
fire alone.
Now eat this, you know.
Eat that. Eat that. Whoa. It is up and running.
That's alright.
Yeah, man. Give thanks.
Barge on it.
Oi, this hot.
Yeah, man. Put on the side. Hot.
Breakfast from the great chef himself.
That's all I'm for the place.
Watch it about the plate, and I use it.
Hello man, thanks and good morning. Breakfast.
The boy is man. Yes, I know. Let's look at the more up there, but I'm feeling my wife.
Bye-bye.
So up high.
Come on. Go. Go.
Prince. Yeah. See if they can come out the door here. Now the light look a bit, yeah. The people them can see your face, you know. They can come out of the doorway from stand up yesterday in the doorway. Yeah. Everything alright.
Yes.
Yeah. You know, we have to do donation for you. As you see the place I work, you know. Because I want to get in some more donation for you as well towards your bed and your TV and everything thing there, isn't it? Because the donation we get, we buy the material and everything, we buy the toilet and everything something there, isn't it? So we have one. And we need a bed and a TV, you know, so we got to ask the people them to reach out for Prince here, think they get a bed and them TV, you know. So I got a donation from Sonia Sunshine from Birmingham, UK. This is Sonia Sunshine from Birmingham, UK. $4,000. Count that. From Sonia Sunshine from Birmingham, UK.
Sonia Sunshine from Birmingham, UK. Big up yourself, holy for love, holy for thanks, holy for appreciation, like what you do. Keep it up, and may God bless you. Many more.
Yeah,
Guidance.
And you also have Naya from Chicago. Naya from Chicago. US $3,000 from Naya. Young girl named Naya. $3,000. Yeah, from Naya. From Naya from Chicago.
Naya from Chicago. Holy for love, holy for thanks. Appreciate what you do for me. Guide and protection. My Father God. Bless you. Many.
Yeah. So I also have 20,000 from Desiree from the USA. Count that. Me and Desiree from the USA.
Desiree from the USA. Big up yourself. Much love, much thanks. Guide and protect. Father God, guide and protect you.
Yeah. So these now can go towards whatever is needed. You understand? I don't know why. Close out that journey. Finish this thing quick and fast so you can have your own liberty, you know? So everything can alright. You see me? And let's go on with the prayers, see me, and let's go on with the faith. I will give thanks to the Almighty. I will give thanks to the donor them want to reach out for you to make this possible. The journey been long, I will still depend on it, see me. You understand? So we're not stop. So blessings to all of the donor them from day one till now, from Jinjin to all of the people that them reach out to. Only for maximum respect. So Prince, tell them thanks once more again.
Yeah, thanks all donors. Big up on yourself, guide and protection. Father God, love you.
Baja, that's why I have a donation for you as well too. The builder, I make the dream them come true. They don't know what the work you put in for you, what you gonna say? And for Prince, we started from Jinjin. You see me, we have a long way to go until this time, still there.
Still a continue the journey.
You see me? And nobody never feared out to still there, see me strong. And the man them glad for you on the board as a teacher. You see me, because they can see a whole heap of man learn what they never have before. You see me, Talpi and Carl and them and all of the man them like, them really glad for them. And the viewers them also, you see me, I say, love the motivational speak where you give to them. You see me, so, for them to them love to have on the program. And know, say,
God bless the man for there, you know, because each one now there for guide and protect each other. So we have to just continue the journey, we have to just move in the right direction at all time. Obviously, we may come our way still, but you know, shake it off and move on. Understand? So we are continue to do the great work. We already start with you come and make the difference. to join the team and I do the work of the right now to make each and every one happy between themselves and make a difference in each one life. So we continue the work, you know. It's a blessing now say day and you can make the change. Try to change you the mentality, boy. You can't say much thanks for that because never had that in the place. The negativity was around.
True.
And right now with you come and program itself, to change you them prospect and the view. You understand the way forward and where they want to deal with and them things. They kind of realize and know some why. You know the past things that them used to do. If we look back now, I regret it as some why them are trying to make things better now.
True.
Look ahead of them.
Sure.
You understand? Because them sister them in last. But at least Father God there within you, with us. Make the difference right now. That's what we can continue.
Because all of we, you know. Because the call is not just for me, you know.
No.
Everybody there for the same reason. So that's why we have this team called Dream Team. Everybody there for them same purpose like what me have. You see me? So the whole of we get the same calling.
Of course.
So just answer it in different ways. You know what I mean?
True.
So the whole of we there for the same reason.
Everybody have a part to play.
Everybody have a part to play.
You understand?
So we have to give thanks.
More blessing.
So we also have a donation from Julia from the UK.
Yeah, man.
$2,000.
Yeah, man.
From
Julia from the UK. Enough blessing, man. Guide and Father God, guide and protect you, you know, more strength, you know, they represent the same way. Because you see the call on your hand side, and if you never do good and great things, you will not endorse it. So enough love and appreciation.
And we also have a donation from Martin from Toronto, Canada, $2,000.
Martin from Toronto. Enough love and respect. And Father God, guide and protect. Enough love. Can't say thanks enough every day if you know, say. Every day we come here and see people are reach out to you and continue, you know, and endorse what we are doing them things. We see some boy, we are doing great work. And somebody can out there and see it and appreciate it. Because if we don't deal with the negative things and them things, nobody will look at it.
No.
You understand? So the encouragement is good. So enough respect.
Enough respect. Liquor, come. Maxine, you say don't leave yet.
Yeah, but like
so Liquor, we also have a donation for from Julia from the UK. $2,000 from Julia.
1, 2. Thank you, Julia from the UK. Many blessings and many thanks. I hope your basket will never empty. And you can add the team same way. And put Father God in front.
And you also have Martin from Toronto, Canada, $2,000.
Many blessings in Martin from Canada. More love, more strength and more energy. And Father God, don't make your basket empty. You can do the things same way. And everybody will add and do the donation then. Many bless.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better day.